Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So at first today is 14th November, so happy Children's Day and may God bless you, may you achieve all the success in your life. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today in this video I will discuss about Actinomycetes. So what is Actinomycetes? These are gram positive bacteria, okay, and these are found both in terrestrial and aquatic environment. They are economically important, contributing significantly to soil health and aiding in agriculture, forestry by decomposing organic matter. They can degrade organic matter, organic waste, and assisting plant nutrient absorptions. Actinomycetes, this is the order under which Actinomycetes are there. So Actinomycetes order to which actinobacteria belong include gram positive anaerobic Actinomycetes. So they are anaerobic in nature and gram positive. These organisms are diverse and contain a variety of species. These are unicellular organisms and found worldwide. They are omnipresent. The term Actinomycetes comes from a Greek word where atkis means ray and myles means fungi. Okay. But these are group of bacteria formally classified as fungi because they share some characteristic with fungi but and can cause similar eye disease as fungi. Actinomycetes are nutritionally versatile and capable of producing various types of spores, allowing them to compete with other organisms. Some members of these groups can cause diseases, but they also produce biologically active compounds like insecticides, antibiotics, so they cause harm, but at the same times they are very beneficial for our environment, for ourselves, because they can produce antibiotics and very useful organic compounds. Then their characteristic, at first they are gram positive in nature, they are filamentous, their bodies are filamentous, filament like bodies, they have filament like bodies. They are aerobic or facultative anaerobic. Habitat, these are widely distributed, omnipresent. They are generally present in soil. Generally they decompose the organic matter. They also play significant role in marine ecosystem. Then nutritional diversity, they exhibit a diverse nutritional strategy including decomposing organic matter. They also they act as parasite and live or depend on other host organisms for their nutrition. Then they also form symbiotic relationship with other organisms, generally with plants. Then spore formation, many actinomycetes reproduce by producing spores which are resilient structures. That means they can tolerate very harsh condition, they can tolerate extreme conditions, adverse conditions. These spores are typically found in aerial hyphae or sporangial structures. Hyphae means their body and sporangia means spore bearing sacs, those organs which contain the spores. Next, secondary metabolites. Actinomycetes have the capacity to synthesize a diverse array of secondary metabolites. So these are extremely important for their growth, serving various ecological functions, and these secondary metabolites actually includes antibiotics, enzymes, pigments. Okay. Next, their classification, they belong to phylum Actinobacteria and Actinomycetes class and Actinomycetes order, and they include some families like Actinomycetaceae, then Corynebacteriaceae, Streptomycetaceae. So these are some families, and genus they include Actinomyces, Corynebacterium, Streptomyces. These are the genus included under those families. Then species, they have many species, many varieties under it. So they belong to phylum Actinobacteria, order Actinomycetes, family under the Actinomycetes order. We have three more families. Here I have mentioned only three families: Actinomycetes C, Corynebacteria C, and Streptomycetes C. Okay, under these we have many genus, then many under the genus we have many species. Then morphology, the external feature of Actinomycetes, they have branched filamentous structure which have a network of hyphae. These hyphae can fragment to form rod-shaped, cocci-shaped cells. They can vary in width. They often form a tangled mass known as mycelium. So, as they have similarities with fungi, earlier they are regarded as fungus, but now they are considered as bacteria. Okay, they are placed under the group bacteria, under bacteria kingdom. One of the most well-known genera of Actinomycetes is Streptomyces, which are important producer of antibiotics like streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. All these are produced from Streptomyces. Okay, so they have complex mycelium with aryl hyphae that differentiate into spore-bearing structure called spore chain or sporophores. And another important genus of Actinomycetes is Actinomyces, okay, which are commonly found in oral cavity and gastrointestinal tract of human and in animals. Then these species, Actinomyces species, are known for causing infection such as actinomycosis. In that condition, in that disease, abscesses and draining sinus tracts are formed. Okay, these are some characteristic or symptoms of actinomycosis. So this is the name of that disease which is caused by Actinomycetes. Okay, then reproduction, they reproduce by forming conidiospore, sporangiospore, and oidiospore. We have to remember the names of these spores. Then hyphae fragmentation. During hyphae fragmentation, the elongated thread-like hyphae of Actinomycetes break into smaller fragments. These fragments can grow into new individual. So generally, fragmentation, so this is the hyphae, they break into pieces and finally they detach from each other and each piece grows into a new individual. Okay, so this is called hyphae fragmentation and each fragment develop a new hyphae, okay, a new organism. Next, Actinomycetes present in soil. They have a role in soil ecosystem. They play important role as decomposer. As they can degrade the organic matters present in the soil. They produce enzymes that aid in breaking down complex molecules in the soil. Some Actinomycetes fix nitrogen from atmosphere, making it available to the plant because plants absorb those nutrients which are required for their growth and development. Actinomycetes produce about 75% of antibiotics. So these are very, very important in medicinal field. These antibiotics are used to treat bacterial infections in human as well as in animals and in plants. They produce many valuable enzymes, vitamins, pigments. These compounds have various industrial applications also. And Actinomycetes are essential for soil ecosystem, playing role in decomposition, nutrient cycling, disease control. They are also variable source of antibiotics and other compounds with potential industrial use. Okay. Next, this is the whole life cycle of the Actinomycetes. Actually, this slide should be placed after this reproduction. Okay, after reproduction, life cycle discussion, we have this beneficial effect. So, this is the whole life cycle. Vegetative growth, they produce aryl hyphae and they coil, they separate then they form spores. Spores finally release, free spores germinate to produce a new individual. Okay, so this is the whole life cycle. This is how they reproduce. Okay, and complete their life cycle. What is the meaning of life cycle? Actually, a life cycle means the overall events that occur during the life, different events which occur during from the birth to the death, or from the birth to producing another new individual. That is called the life cycle. In cell cycle, we said that generally we say that all the events that occur during the formation of a new daughter cell from the mother cell is called the cell cycle. So in this way, what is the meaning of life cycle? All the events that are occurring during the production of a daughter or a new individual from the mother. Okay, from the mother plant, from the mother organism, anything. Okay, next, importance of actinomycetes. I have already told you that antibiotic production, then soil decomposition, plant health. It is very very important for plant health because they develop a symbiotic relationship with plant. They can fix nitrogen. Okay, they also add some nutrients to the soil, and finally plant absorb those nutrients which are required for their growth and development. Then industrial enzymes, they produce some enzymes which are very very important in industries. Next, so finally, actinomycetes are vital groups. That means very very important to us, play important role in the health, to maintain the health of our planet. They are essential for antibiotic production. They are also important in soil decomposition, organic matter of the soil decomposition, plant health. They have also industrial applications. As we continue to learn more about these amazing organisms, we are likely to discover even more ways that they can benefit us. So we are doing research to search all those benefits we can get from those organisms. Okay, so it is all about actinomycetes. I hope you really enjoyed this session and will get benefit from this. And please stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And actually I am posting this video after a very long time, so please you guys subscribe to my channel so that and please appreciate my hard work so that I can upload more videos, and please inspire me to upload more videos on important topics of biology. Okay, so please like, share, and finally subscribe to my channel Sunanda's tutorial. Thank you, and once again happy Children's Day.